Hello, and welcome to another Business Tech Planet video. Today, I'll be showing you a quick guide on how to block domains in Microsoft Exchange Online Admin Center. Let's get started. To begin, open up the App Launcher and select the Admin app. From the left-hand side, click on Show All to expand the menu. Find Exchange and click on it. Click on the Mail Flow heading. And select Rules. Click on the plus icon to add a new rule. Then select Bypass Spam Filtering. In the name box, make sure to set the name of the rule to block sender domain. Under where it says, apply this rule if, select the sender, followed by domain is. In the text box, add the domain you wish to block. Then click the plus icon to add it. Add as many domains as you need, then click on OK. Then, under where it says, do the following, select block the message, and then choose one of these options depending on your preference. Make sure Enforce is selected under the Choose a Mode for this rule section. Finally, click on Save. Give it a moment to create the rule for you. To enable or disable this rule as needed, simply click on the blue checkbox. Bulk mail blocking on Microsoft Outlook. Click on the Mail Flow heading and select Rules. Click on the plus icon to add a new rule. Then select Bypass Spam Filtering from the drop-down. Specify a name for this rule. It can be the same name as before if you want. Under where it says, apply this rule if, select the subject or body from the drop-down, followed by, subject includes any of these words. Add some regular expressions commonly found in bulk emails. Then press the plus icon to add the term. Add as many keywords as you need. Then click on OK. Finally, click on Save. Give it a moment to create the rule for you. For a dedicated blog post on this topic, as well as other useful information, visit our blog post on our website. The link is in the description below. That's it for today's video. We hope this resolved your issue. Leave a comment down below if you ran into any issues, and subscribe for future tutorials if you haven't done so already. Thanks for watching.